I finally lived the K-drama life in one day because of this tour. Hi, this is Ja and Ren, and this is us documenting our travel before having a baby. Today, we're doing a full day tour. Nami Island, Alpaca World, and Gangchon Rail Park, all in one day. So far, ito yung pinakamahal na tour namin sa Sokor and pinaka-excited ako sa Nami Island kasi ito lang yung alam ko. We got picked up at 7 o'clock a.m. in Myeongdong, tapos 2 hours ang travel time. Medyo outside Seoul na to kasi pa-mountain area na. Inuna namin ang Alpaca World at kailangan namin habulin yung 10 o'clock a.m. alpaca show. First time ko makakita ng alpacas pero not really excited, pero nung nagsilabasan sila, grabe, sobrang kako-cute. Yun lang, lalapit lang talaga sila if may food ka. So medyo struggle kami kumuha ng decent photos. So note lang, bawal hawakan yung head nila kasi naiirita sila pero pwede lang sa body as long as gentle lang kayo. Para kaming mga fans na may barricade tas binipicturean sila. Eto, nag-stop pa for fan service. Bongga, diba? Hindi na rin kami masyadong nag-explore ng buong area kasi sabi ng friend ko wala masyadong ibang ganap, which is pabor naman sa paboots ko. Next up, lunch. Wala kang choice kundi mag-order ng Dak Galbi kasi sa isang restaurant lang kayo pwedeng kumain kasi limited time lang ang allotted para pagdating sa resto, kain na lang agad. Dito kasama sa binayaran so nag-add pa kami ng around 750 pesos each para sa food. So after that, we went to Gangchon Rail Park which is katabi lang ng restaurant. And fun fact, dati ditong actual train railway, pero since na-decommission, ginawa na lang siyang tourist attraction. So highlight dito aside from the views is yung tin tunnels, may light, music, and iba-ibang concept. The ride lasted around 30 to 40 minutes and note, choose your outfit wisely. Mahangin dito so hassle mag-skirt and spring kami pumunta pero ang sakit sa balat, mahangin na, mainit pa. Not the best combo ang skirt at boots. Learn from me. Pagdating sa dulo, nandun na ulit yung bus waiting for us. Then we headed to Nami Island around 3 p.m. na. Honestly, medyo limited na lang yung time namin sa Nami, so quick photos lang talaga yung ginawa namin. May isang area lang na blooming and cherry blossoms that time, pero di super dami. For me, mas na-enjoy ko pa yung sa Seoul Grand Park at sa Yeouido Park. Mas marami at mas vibrant.
2, 3, go!
Lingon, ganyan.
Ayan. Sige pa. Sige pa.
Parang binrakan ka.
As I said, Nami Island yung pinaka-inaabangan ko sa tour na to, pero to be honest, ito yung least favorite ko sa tour. Don't get me wrong, maganda yung lugar, we have a very nice photos, tingnan nyo naman yan. Pero I am a tourist na prefer ko yung may activities over taking photos alone. But favorite part ko naman talaga yung Alpaca World. As someone na mahilig sa animals, sobrang saya ko nung nakita ko sila. Instant serotonin boost yung pagka-cute nilang lahat. And by the way, we booked this whole tour via Agoda for only 3,300 pesos. Sulit na for 3 destinations in one day. So ayun lang, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to save for your next Korea trip. Like and follow for more.